Hello. Okay. Hello, guys. I am in the game with my brother Takifi. So we'll play together. So let's see. Let's play E4. Yeah. E5. Let's play knight F3. Not G2. Okay. Knight C6. We always love. Yeah. Bishop C4. Should be bishop C5 or knight F6. And then okay, and then okay, let me think. And let me think. Wait, C3. Okay, knight F6, D3. D6, bishop G5, bishop G4, H3, H3, bishop H5, and then here, and then here, and then castle after that. Yeah. Okay. Very, very interesting. Let us take. After bishop takes, to castle na. Or if he does long side, oh, takes, takes. Okay, queen here. I mean, queen here. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So let's try Nemo. Okay. How about rook DG1? Okay, so we cannot attack us the second time because it's blocked. And we cannot attack the bishop the third time because it's blocked. Okay, trying to attack us, but that's okay. Let's play here. Okay. What if knight d7? It's okay. But if we take some, let's take back with the bishop. Oh, That is one of the idea. Let's play rook here. Case of no trouble. Let me see. Oh. Oh my god. Well, we can attack the rook now. That's what's my plan. Okay. Queen b4. Yes. Don't know if Saki is recording this YouTube or not. Okay. Horse here. After that, some counterattack like that. The king is a bit exposed. Wait a sec, we have idea of here takes. Will he notice that or not? Wait. We'll take the queen. The queen will take. I have an idea here. Oh no. Strap. This is our only way. This is our square. This is our only square. He could notice that. G6. Here. Not nice ever celebration. Oh. Well, one way to prevent it is G1. Oh, G1, 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 G1. Okay. This is available. I have an idea here. Since he's of a knight, we'll have some counterplay. See? I am going to put bishop h6. And then if he puts g6, but the bishop, and the bishop is defending, we'll have another plan. We are going to check the king. Kind of a blunder, but oh no. I'm gonna lose. At least there's a bishop here. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm losing. Accidentally blunder the queen. Big blunder, big blunder, big blunder. Okay, we should have blocked with the rook. This is unstoppable. Wait is unstoppable. Just some checks. Look, if I move here, checkmate. But let's go back. Wait. If I go here, it's a checkmate. It's a checkmate after king there. But if I move here, check here, check here, check. Wait. So this is our only way. Okay, before I go, shout out to our viewers at our live stream. RJS Private Pool, Mary Margaret Frances, Mary Grace T. Dizon, Grade 2, Risa Tere Sikra, ST Barto Student, RJS Private Pool, and then Grade 1 Antonio Sebastian A. Lacson. And then, Goodbye, everyone. See you. Okay. Before we actually go, let's analyze it to see our big blunder, big blunders, and the bug blunders. Let me see bishop h5. This is an inaccuracy. Please, not a lower board. Not lower board. No lower board. Okay, 51. This is a lot. E4, E5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, bishop c5, knight c3, knight f6, d3, d6, bishop g5, bishop g4, h3, bishop h5, g4. Okay, bishop h5. It should be bishop takes f3, queen takes f3, knight d4, queen d1, c6, knight e2, h6, bishop h4, b5, and bishop e3, and then after that g4, bishop g6, queen d2, inaccuracy, should be knight b5, knight b4, bishop g takes f6, g takes f6, knight takes b4, bishop takes b4, c3, bishop c5, knight h4, queen e7, queen f3, and then long side castling. And then after that, knight d4 inaccuracy, and then it should be knight a5 and then bishop. Wait. Okay. So after that, it was knight takes d4, bishop takes d4, long side castling, bishop takes c3, queen takes c3, inaccuracy. The best moves should be bishop takes c3, h6, and then this. After this is now big mistake, big blunder. Okay, big blunder, bug blunder. Okay, bug blunder. Say bug blunder in this. Okay. Okay. After that, it's queen b3 mistake. Okay. In there, it should be knight takes c4. Wait, f5, f4. It should be f4. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. After this, f4 was best. What? Knight takes e4 here was best. So, sorry. F4, d5, this. Okay. Bishop b6 should be 8. Oh, it should be h6. Here. So after that, it's a accuracy here. Rook d g1. h4 was best. Should be h4, h6 here. After that, yeah, 6. Bishop h4. Okay. Should be c6. No, bishop e3 was best here. But big blunder. Okay. Stop. After that, it should be c6, g5, knight h5, here. So after g5, knight d7, an accuracy, it should be blah. No. It should be blah, akadadabra. Okay. After that, rook g4, h5, g3 blunder. Should okay, blunder. Okay. Rook g3 blunder. Where is it? Rook g3 blunder. Should be g6, queen e8. Here. After that, knight c5, and accuracy. After that, and b4. Wait, knight c5. But knight c5 and accuracy. And mistake. It's because it should be bishop. G6 here. After that, queen b blunder. Okay. Why am I saying this Squid Game team? Okay, queen b4. It's because bishop takes b7. Should be this. But after that, a5. No. Okay, a5. La. Queen b5. Rook c8. g2. c. Okay. Wait. Rook g2 mistake. Should be here and here. To that c6, bad, both. C6. Okay. Oh, here.
Okay. Do you want to drink your milk now?
Okay. And then should be bishop g6. Big blunder. Okay, sorry. Okay, guys, now sorry for doing that mistake. Should be J6. C takes b5. G takes h7. King takes h7. Bishop takes 6. And then bishop takes c4. Bishop takes here. That takes f7. Queen c4 inaccuracy. What the heck? Should be g6. There, here. After that, b5. Big blunder. Oh God, Miss Rook. Okay. After that, bishop g6 should be that f4 and then there. After that, queen c3 should have did queen takes f7 and then king takes and then here and then takes and then takes and then here takes to take and then take and then take. The end of this? Nope. What the? Okay. Rook f4 inaccuracy should be bishop g6. Here. Bishop g3, queen takes c5, g5, king b1, inaccuracy. Okay. Should have been queen d2, bishop takes, h4. Bishop takes c4 and then h4 and then queen f6, d takes e4, knight takes e4, bishop takes f4, knight takes d2, bishop takes d2, b4, hg1, king f7. Continuation h4, bishop takes, queen takes, rook e1, and queen takes f2. Okay, it should be e takes f4, a4, b4, queen c4, check, king ha, here. Here. After that, bishop e3, queen g3, queen d2, queen takes h3, rook g1, rook a8. Big mistake. Should be rook f8, queen e1, knight d6, bishop c1, a4, a3, here, and here. After this, was inaccuracy because of it should be this, and this. So rook a7, queen g5, and then queen h2. Okay, it should be 96. Okay, sorry. Sorry guys. I'm just trying to make you laugh. Okay, it should be 96. Here. After that, queen d8 check, king f7, rook takes g6, and then here. Should be takes, hello. After queen here, no. Bishop here, knight here, rook here, rook takes, here, and then here. Let's check here. Okay. Check. Wait. Okay. Bishop takes g. Okay. Actually, after that, such a bad move. Wait. Queen d8 check here. Should be it. So here. I accidentally blummer makurin. Okay. After it should be rook takes a1 here. Here. After that, bishop takes. Wait. Bishop g6. To that takes.
Right here.
Wait. Rook G6 check. Mates now and not available. D4 was best. Should be D4. Knight takes E4. Here. 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 Okay. Kings E7, Rook G4, Rook F1, Rook G7 check, and then King F6, King F6, Rook G8, King takes G6, A3, Rook takes C1, check King A2, and then Rook A1 check. Mate. Actually, guys, thank you for listening to my video. My latest video ever in the entire world. Blunder with me, bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Not wanna make it talk. I just wanted to tell you that. Yeah.